Hey, welcome back to Lazarus Homestead, and we're back at the pump. That water in there, probably about 2.5 inches, not even. But anyway, what's up? This is part 3 of the do-it-yourself drain project. As you can see, I started putting the tiles back. Tile, come back over here. Hey, can't see the pipe until you get right there. Yep, as you can see, I put a 45 degree on it and ran it to the wall with a 90 to another 90 and another 90 underneath the stairs in the bulkhead. As you can see, we have a sump pump already in there. There's some water. That's a catch area for the primary pump. This is the secondary pump that I'm installing. So I have that going underneath the stairs to the other side, which I have to cut this section of the step out so I can run it up this wall to kapow! Right there to that pipe using, where is it? 1.5 inch white pipe. I'm gonna, when I go to install it, I'm gonna try to have it close to the bulkhead right here, because when this pipe comes up, I'm just gonna get another 45 degree angle and right in this spot. Doing good. Doing real good. I got a stone project going on in the front house. I did put up another box. Go check it out. Yeah, getting a little gloomy. Not gonna rain, but kapling! Check that out. It is a 4x8 garden box that's going to be used for our tomato plant, strawberry plants from last year. For this box here, we mended some of the soil. This grow bag here is still frozen. Mended this soil here. We did that work today. Those there. And put up another box. But over here we're going to do 2 more of these boxes here, 4 foot by 4 foot square, in this area right here, right in front of it, keeping them even. So that's what I have going on right now. So y'all stay tuned.
Few moments later.
Back again, and this is the last part I'm showing you. As you can see, I ran underneath the stairs to the wall. I cut that step, ran it up, connected, and it's just a little reminder, everybody, when you're transitioning from steel, copper, or brass to PVC, get a fern coat. These things are awesome and they're versatile in a lot of ways. Always remember to get those when you're transitioning from 2 different type of pipes. And that's it. It is now done. It's done. Looks good. It's out of the way. They're both connected. On my next PVC piping project, I'll pay a little more attention and show you guys how to clean the ends of the PVC pipes where you cut them, shave the inside and then the outside edge so there's no debris, fragments, or anything like that. But welcome to Lazarus Unleashed. I hope you enjoyed the parts. Give me a thumbs up. drop a comment, and let me know what you all think. Later.